Oh my god. Okay, so we're here at the Bali Pier. We're just on our way to fish for squid and get something to eat on the boat. It's a squid cafe. So let's go. So we just arrived at the cafe, Tappia Cafe. To summarize, nice view, nice vibe, nice design, spacious. We managed to get a seat right by the edge. So let me show you. So we got a nice view of Pattaya as well. ขอบคุณครับ
อันนี้จะเป็นน้ำเวลคัมดริงก์แต่ไม่มีแอลกอฮอล์นะคะ
อันนี้มันต่างกันยังไงครับสองอันนี้
อันนี้จะมีเป็นลิ้นจี่กับสตรอเบอรี่ค่ะ
โอเคครับขอบคุณครับ So you get a welcome drink as well, which is nice. The pink one is lychee and oh my god, red one is strawberry. I'm gonna go for the lychee. Nam's not here yet, so I've picked for her to have the strawberry. I'm gonna have the lychee one. Pink, real man can deal with pink. So the thing about the seat here on the edge, minimum have to spend 1,000 baht. And 1,000 baht, you can stay for 2 hours. If you spend 1,500 baht, you can stay for 4 hours. I got the menu, so I'm gonna have a look. I'm starving. I haven't had anything to eat all day. One thing I didn't realize is that we're not gonna order squid to eat. We have to fish for some squid to eat. We can't catch any, then we can't eat any. We have nothing to eat then, so we better catch something. So we're gonna have a go at fishing for some squid, and hopefully have it to eat.
เขาบอกอยู่ว่าให้กระตุกแบบเบาๆอ่ะ
ใช่ไหมเด็ดเฮ้ยจริงด้วยได้ด้วย
อะไรอ่ะ
Oh my
เดี๋ยวไม่ใช่มันพันกับที่รักหรือเปล่า
ไม่ที่รักได้จริงอ่ะ Oh my god
สุดท้ายเราก็ได้ทำเมนูอาหารจริงด้วยอ่ะ ที่นี่มันต้องว่ามึงได้จริง อยากพูดได้
So fresh
ทำไม
ก็ร้อยที่รักเสร็จเอาไง มันคนละงานอ่ะมันคนละงาน
มันตัวมันหายอ่ะ
Okay guys, welcome to Tappia Cafe, a floating cafe on Pattaya Sea. So we are here at around 5-6 p.m. ish when the sun is about to set. We just did some fishing for squid, and she just caught what the restaurant said was the biggest by a customer that caught a squid. So they took a picture of it. So they made it into a sashimi. So it's so raw, so fresh. It's still, the color is still like moving. Okay.
Oh my god.
The eyes looking at you. Long up.
Okay, taste.
So it's not cooked, it is raw. We're talking about raw squid here that we're just coming out of the water there.
ฝีมือฉันเธอให้เธอชิมก่อน นี่
So delicious. So fresh. Oh my god.
Oh my god เคี้ยวได้
Oh, it's still moving. It's still moving. Oh my god. It's definitely an experience to have here. I can say when you come to Pattaya.
เวลาที่มันโดนซีฟู้ดแล้วมันสีเข้ม
มันเหมือนมันแบบจะเป็นแบบนั้นถ้าขอเครื่องดื่ม
คริสปี้อ่ะ
ใช่ไหมมันกรอบอ่ะ It's like crispy
มันแตกต่างจากแบบใช่ไหมวิสวาซาบิ
แต่น้ำจิ้มซีฟู้ดอร่อยนะ
เอาลงวาซาบิ
It's good. Refreshing. Alright.
อุ้ยลูกกระตาปลาหมึกอะ
We move on to our next menu. So next we have something that we haven't seen in the menu. It's called bacon cheese fried rice.
so cute
So let's
สับปะรดหรือเปล่า
cheese. Look at that. Oh, my god. Wow. Wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I need to try this cheese. It's like cheese there, but it's mixed with some kind of sauce.
Oh my god. Bubble gum เหรอ So sweet
ใช่ไหมเหมือนแบบมีซอสอะไรอะซอสมะเขือเทศ
มั
ป่ะ
นไม่เหมือนเทศ
So it's like a tomato sauce in the rice, in the fried rice.
ใช่
So this kind of fried rice is
ใช่ไหม
this kind of fried rice is a little bit sweet. So they have pepper as well. But this kind of fried rice is, I don't know what they call them. Is it like ข้าวผัด American?
มันเหมือนข้าวผัดอเมริกัน
So this cheese is very like thick and stringy.
Oh my god มันสวิง
I have to say it's a bit sweet. It's probably not for everyone.
สิกกี้
Mm.
Next dish King of Curry
So we move on to the next dish. This was another thing that we saw on the menu. We thought we'd give it a try. So it's like a soup, but it's not a soup. It's green curry seafood in a soup bowl. Prawns. For those of you who are green curry lovers, let's see how this is.
นี่ไง
อยากได้ข้าวสั่งข้าวเปล่าได้ปะ
ได้
น้องครับ
เอาข้าวเปล่าจาน
So this is the squid. Not as fresh as the one we just had, but let's see with the green curry.
เทสอยู่แล้ว
อร่อย
เนาะซุปหอมมาก
Yeah, delicious.
อร่อย หวาน
So it's aromatic, a little bit sweet, flavorful.
เขาใช้นม ดูรู้สึกว่า
Yeah, they put extra. Feel like they put more milk in than usual. ใช่ไหมใส่นมมากกว่าปกติ So maybe there's a little bit more extra milk in there to make it that kind of creamy, smooth. That's actually very nice.
Find it so fresh
But it's still it's got a little spice, a little kick. I can feel it in my throat actually.
อร่อยมากเลยอ่ะ หวานเจี๊ยบ
จำไม่ได้หรอ จำไม่ได้ I can't remember what the I know it but I can't remember the name in English. I've been speaking Thai so much that I'm forgetting a lot of my English words. Next we have is stir-fried prawn and broccoli in oyster sauce. Okay. So on top you have your shredded garlic, oyster sauce, carrots, broccoli, prawns, and some mushroom. Oh, the oyster sauce dripping. Let me show you the prawns. Prawns nice. Yep. Yeah, that's another nice dish actually.
นี่ทำอาหารอร่อยนะ
What surprised me is that it's a touristy place, right? They have a lot of tourists, especially Chinese tourists. And usually tourist places, they don't always have to be the most delicious because they have a lot of people anyway, tourists come. But here, genuinely, it's nice. It's nice food. It's not the cheapest, but that's okay. You come here for the experience. You're fishing for squid. You're enjoying the vibe. Never thought I'd be eating like really nice food on a boat like this with some nice chill music. How much is it?
มันมีโปรโมชั่นอ่ะ ที่กดแชร์แล้วมันจะเหลือคนละ 400 อ่ะ
So if you share their page on social media, then it's 400 baht per person.
มีเรือรับส่งที่ท่าเรือด้วย
It's 400 baht. They pick you up on the speedboat, and it is 2-minute ride to here, right? And then you have a welcome drink. So with that welcome drink, it's like lychee or strawberry or something like that. And you can also fishing for squid. And the squid that you fish and you catch, you eat, and no price. It's free. I think it's a really good price. Now we move on to our last dish. Here on the menu, they call French fried squid. So I thought I had to order it, but really it's calamari. It's just calamari, but they use a cool term for it. That's it.
เฮ้ยเฮียมันเป็นหัวใจได้
ได้รู้สึกดังจะกินปลาหมึกกันนั้นอ่ะ
ใช่ปะ
After eating our own squid, other squid seems very average now. Our ego's getting to us. Okay, we're gonna go and enjoy the rest of our evening. Very nice vibe. Again, do come here if you come to Pattaya. it is an experience. Before we go, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And we'll see you guys in the next videos. Thanks, guys.